Igboticnonos. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, today we are showing a bit of our face so you can see who this Igbo teacher is. Sorry, I'm doing this video inside the car, okay? In today's video, we're going to be talking about the 31 common phrases we use in Igbo language. That is for instruction, for giving instruction, for orders and directions. Please guys, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. 31 common Igbo phrases we use, that is how to give instruction and all. And number one here is me osiso. Hurry up. Me osiso. Hurry up. Me osiso. Hurry up. Me osiso. Hurry up. Also, run. Ba also, run. Ba also, run. Ba also, run. Ba also, run. Pwom nihu, get out of my face. 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 Okay, get out of here. Sebapo. Pwom nihu, get out of my face. Yes, you need all these phrases I'm mentioning almost every day. Trust me, if you learn these 31 phrases, you don't need to learn any other thing again. Ga nodu ala, go and sit down. 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 Mechie ọnụ gị, shut your mouth. 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 Gee m ntị, listen to me. 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 Listen to me. Gee m ntị, listen to me. Gee ntị, listen. Gee ntị, listen. You can see that these very phrases look almost the same. The other one is gee m ntị. That means you're personalizing it. Gee m ntị. Yes. Listen to me. Then this one is gee ntị. You're talking, you could be talking generally, but you could be talking to somebody else, but it's not personalization. Kwụsị ihe ị na-eme. Stop what you are doing. Kwụsị ihe ị na-eme. Stop what you are doing. Kwụsị ihe ị na-eme. Stop what you are doing. Gbaa mbọ ka ịlọta ọsịsọ. Try and come back quickly. Gbaa mbọ ka ịlọta ọsịsọ. Try and come back quickly. Gbaa mbọ ka ịlọta ọsịsọ. Try and come back quickly. Gbaa mbọ ka ịlọta ọsịsọ. Try and come back quickly. Gbaa mbọ ka ịlọta gboo. Gbaa mbọ ka ịlọta gboo. The other one is ọsịsọ. This one is gboo. Gbaa mbọ ka ịlọta gboo. Make sure you come back early. Gbaa mbọ ka ịlọta gboo. Make sure you come back early. Gbaa mbọ ka ịlọta gboo. Make sure you come back early. Mee ọsịsọ. Hurry up. Mee ọsịsọ. Hurry up. Mee ọsịsọ. Hurry up. Mee ọsịsọ. Hurry up. I have my notes down in case if I'm looking down or not looking at you guys, okay? Gbaa ọsọ, run. 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 Kwuo ihe ị chọrọ ikwu. Say what you want to say. Kwuo ihe ị chọrọ ikwu. Say what you want to say. Kwuo ihe ị chọrọ ikwu. Say what you want to say. Kwuo ihe ị chọrọ ikwu. Say what you want to say. Kwuo ihe ị chọrọ ikwu. Say what you want to say. Welie aka nri gị elu. Raise up your right hand. Welie aka nri gị elu. Raise up your right hand. Your right hand. Aka nri. Welie aka nri gị elu. Raise up your right hand. Welie aka ekpe gị elu. Raise up your left hand. Your left hand aka ekpe and your right hand aka nri. Welie aka ekpe gị elu. Raise up your left hand. Welie aka ekpe gị elu. Raise up your left hand. Welie aka ekpe gị elu. Raise up your left hand. Welie aka ekpe gị elu. Raise up your left hand. Gaa ihu, go forward. Gaa ihu, go forward. Gaa ihu, go forward. Gaa ihu, go forward. Gaba n'ihu, keep going forward. This one can also come in a place you're wishing somebody success, like good luck. Gaba n'ihu, or what you're doing is okay. Go ahead. Gaba n'ihu, keep going forward. 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 Gaa azụ, go backwards. 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 Kwụrụ n'akụkụ, stand by the side. 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 Chere ebe a, wait here. 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 Laghachi azụ. Go back to where you were. Laghachi azụ. Go back to where you were. Laghachi azụ. Go back to where you were. Maybe your child is coming towards you. Say laghachi azụ. Bịaghachi azụ. Come back. 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 Bata. Coming. 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 Abatakwala. Don't come in. Somebody comes to your house and you don't want the person to come in. You can say abatakwala. Don't come in. 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 Mumie. Shift. When you want somebody to shift for you on the seat, instead of you to start shift for me, long English, you say Mumie. Shift. Mumie. Shift. Mumie. Shift. Mumie. We often use it as a slang too. When somebody is talking what you don't like, or when somebody is talking out of the point, you can say Mumie. means shift one side, that kind of thing. Bumie, shift. Bumie, shift. Bumitu, shift a bit. Bumitu, shift a bit. We use this one often when there is no space on the seat. When there is no space, I'm like, just make a little space for me. Bumitu, Bumitu, shift a bit. Bumitu, shift a bit. Bumitu, shift a bit. Tuhari azu, turn around. 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 Potanuzo, come out of the way. 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 Huru oto, stand up. 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 Tukuru eba, squat here. Tukuru eba, squat here. Tukuru eba, squat here. Tukuru eba, squat here. Tukuru eba, stop here. Squat here, sorry. Tukuru eba, squat here. Tukuru eba, squat here. Tukuru eba, squat here. Tukuru eba, squat here. Were oche, take a seat. 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 So guys, this is the end of the 33 common phrases you use in Igbo language. Practice makes perfect, don't forget. Practice makes perfect. You only have to practice this before you perfect. But trust me, if you learn these phrases in Igbo language, these are the most often used. If you learn these phrases in Igbo language, you can communicate. Don't forget to save in your watch letter. Please subscribe as well.